Hi everyone. So this is LeetCode problem number 1768 merge strings alternately. You are given two strings word 1 and word 2. Merge the string by adding letters in alternating order starting with the word 1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters on the end of the merge string. So we are given a word 1. Let's take an example. The input should be we are given a word 1 which contains ABC string. Word 2 P Q R. The output should be A P B Q C R. What we have to do, we just have to merge the string alternately. So let's code it. I think it's an easy problem. So let we first find out the length of the word. Then we will run the while loop. Let's define the I counter. I should start from the 0. I will be less than A1 or I is less than B1. Let's create an result string. Let's put in condition here. Condition should be what if I is less than A1. What we will do is we will just append the character of word 1. Same here we will do it. And we will increment the counter and just we will return the string. Let's run it. That's it.